Now coming on to important part, that is MRI working mechanism. So before starting, MRI, it is an imaging modality that uses non-ionizing radiation to create useful diagnostic images. So let's see how it works. So in body, hydrogen ions are present in water, fatty acid and organic acid in varying amount, which are randomly arranged with no net magnetization. So this is how they usually exist. In water, fatty acid and organic acid, they are randomly arranged. You can see all of them, they are randomly arranged with no net magnetization. So when these hydrogen ions, they expose to strong magnet of 1.5 to 3 Tesla, they start aligning to original magnet. Now here you can see in this, almost all of them, they are magnetized. So this is the magnetic field of 1.5 to 3 Tesla. So when it is applied, or you can say when hydrogen ions is exposed to strong magnet, then they start aligning to original magnet. Next what happens is, so when radio frequency pulse is given, using the energy of this pulse, the hydrogen ions are deflected to transverse axis. Then next, on stopping this radio frequency pulse to the hydrogen ions in transverse axis, they tend to relax back to longitudinal axis. So when we stop the radio frequency pulse, the hydrogen ions in transverse axis, they would fall into longitudinal axis. So this relaxation time is different for water and fatty acids. So for water, it relaxes faster, whereas for fatty acid, it relaxes slowly. So by this mechanism, signal obtained from water and fatty acids can be differentiated and studied. So I am again repeating that in body, hydrogen ions are present in water, fatty acids and organic acid in varying amount, which are randomly arranged, and there is no net magnetization. So when a strong magnetic effect is applied, that is of 1.5 to 3 Tesla, what happens, these hydrogen ions, they will start aligning to original magnet. Then next what happens is, when the radio frequency pulse is given, they are deflected to transverse axis, and when we stop the radio frequency pulse, they tend to relax back to longitudinal axis, and there is a difference of the relaxation time. So by this mechanism, signal obtained from water and fatty acids can be differentiated and studied.